Put train Dublin, put.
So y'all, now y'all hear this? So can we go back in?
What does that mean? Yeah.
Oh, he went inside the restaurant. This is like crazy.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. Bitch, you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You need
All right, so hey y'all, good morning. Today is November 1st. It is Tuesday, about 6:30, 6:45ish in the morning. I am getting ready to go to work. As you guys just saw me getting ready, Vlogtober is over, so I'm about to start prepping and planning for, Vlogmas and just getting content out all of November. I won't be doing too many vlogs for November, but I will be putting out content only because I didn't put out content all year, and November is just gonna be the month that I do my content, and I did none in October as well. I did vlogs only, so I am going to upload my lash video, then I'm going to be doing my sew-in over today, so I'm going to record that. So I'll have those two content videos to upload with you guys. And of course, I'm going to vlog. I'll probably upload like 2 vlogs this month, but that's about it. I have some vlog footage from last month that I'm gonna upload. I'm just not gonna title it Vlogmas because I did not decorate my apartment anyway, so it's not like I have much that I'm missing out on. I am about to be late for work. It is 6:57 and I have to be to work. 6:47 and I have to be to work at 7 a.m. and it's a 5-minute walk from my house and I'm stopping at Starbucks, so I don't care. So yeah, see you guys at work. I'm at a new location, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull out my camera and vlog or film because we're not even supposed to be fraternizing or whatever, so we'll see. I probably won't be here long. I'll be here till 3, but I probably won't be at this job long because I'm not happy. I don't like it. So I'll be trying to get back into healthcare and whatnot. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my morning. Just have to go stop at Starbucks. And then I'm also gonna do a fill-in content video. I'm also gonna do a fill-in content video for my lashes, you guys. And sorry if I'm looking up here because I have like the little flip camera where I look up at myself to see myself. So yeah, I have that. I'll be doing a fill-in on my lashes. So, cause I pulled some of them off. I'm a picker. So yeah, see you guys later.
I would like to get to know you could be the kind of girl that you could die for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tear me. And you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And you want too much love, you're not gonna be good. I would feel like something could be going on. You give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need.
It is, hold on, wait, I have to turn it. It's the letter I. Her name is India. India, India, India. Yep, done with that one. Let me put my camera back down. And then I am also doing a tester. Well, I was doing a tester on these. Hold on. I was doing a tester for some royal blue ones. Let's see. All right, yep, there we go. So this is how it turned out, the tester. And then I am going to do that to all of the ones over there. The white ones to turn them blue. That is my work for today. Oh, and then I am also, of course, watching TV.